And we're down in, welcome to my vlog, and this is I Spy a Stang. We're down in Pennsylvania, and I just spotted a GT 500 Shelby. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I don't even have to worry about plate. Look at that beauty. Oh my word. Ah, she is beautiful. Wow. SVT rims, GT. It's an 11. Oh, wow. It is an 11. No kidding. 6-speed. Leather. Bucket seats, and they match the silver. The silver lines on the outside. On the outside of the vehicle. Cobra steering wheel. What is? They're Eagles, F1s, standard, and they're 19s. Oh man. Cobra designation, get my thing out of it. Look at that beauty. Alright. Orleans. Very nice. Shot from the side. My color blue too. Alright, awesome. She's 11. My car right there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share. Catch me on the next I Spy a Stang.